obviously, because no man is gonna sit there and wait for piercings to heal for you. So that shit used to hurt, and then I think it got to the point where it was just like it was too much movement and rubbing on it, and one popped out. And then after that one popped out, like I tried to push it back in, it wasn't staying. So I just took the other one out. I was just like, whatever, like I'll accept it. Hype enough. Okay. What the hell? Alright, let's load this up. Oh wait, there's still. Hello Kitty, I love Hello Kitty. I'm good enough. How are you, love? That's good to hear. Hold on, let me turn this so I can kind of watch y'all while I do these dishes. You think you can carry this? Come on. That's unrealistic, babe. Thank you, 1990. No. Y'all are so capped on here. I'm from Florida. Y'all be on here capping. Ooh, I just splashed myself with water. Y'all be on this at bold-faced lying. Pick me up until, yeah, right. You could not pick me up, I promise you. I might be short, but I'm very thick. You cannot carry me, I promise. It don't matter how tall you are or how much you weigh. It matters how strong you are. Yes, I'm a mom. I'm from Florida. How much is 98 kg in pounds? What is that? But the thing is, you can lift that like what? 3 times? You know what I mean? Like, Carrying someone for a long period of time is very different than being able to just pick it up 3 quick times. Like, very different. I wish I could take a rest. I can't right now. Obviously, you gotta hold on to me. I'm talking, you could do like 3, you'll be able to go 3 pumps and then be like, alright, let's switch. Oh my god. Fabian, drop a galaxy. Yeah, Cap, what's up? Okay. I'm your TikTok boo. Am I? Don't gas me up. Women go forever. Y'all know that. What kind of question is that? You already know the answer to that. Women go forever. It's the men that be exhausted after the first one. Women could keep on going all fucking day. Y'all, can we run up the likes? Double tap, double tap. Can you share the live? He's locked in. Okay. We're almost done with the dishes, y'all. Tap, drop a galaxy. Drop a galaxy seed. Let me see. Let's see if you're really locked in the way you say. I'm buying my tickets to Florida. That's hilarious. Yeah, we ended this one. Wow. Thank you, thank you. That's there. Put that there like that. Okay. Bernie class. I'm sending the little light stuff. Florida's ghetto? That's not true. It just depends what part of Florida you're in. That's like the dumbest comment I think I've ever heard. Everywhere has ghetto, dummy. Dumb. You live in Central Florida? I don't think it's ghetto. I think it just depends where you go and what area you're in. Like, obviously, if you drive to the hood to get food, you're gonna see some hood ass shit. Come to New York City. I do need to go to New York. I'm not gonna lie. I have a friend in New York that I have been wanting to go see. We lit out here. Where? New York? I think he was in the Bronx, or was it Queens? But he just moved. So now he's like Long Island area. Miss Miami herself. I'm not even in Miami, babe. Thanks for the rose. I have no idea when I'm going up there. I gotta find like the time. I gotta make some travel arrangements, some arrangements for my kids for when I go up there. There's a whole like thing that goes into it. Yeah. Morning, SP. I don't have X. Daryl, I've been waiting on you this whole time. Where have you been? Why do I feel neglected? Just a little bit, ego. Oh yeah, I definitely gotta go to Times Square. That would be super fire. Like if I go to New York, I want to hit Times Square so bad. Like I can't go there and not go there. Does that make sense? Oh my god, am I done with the dishes? Hallelujah. Come to Chicago, forget New York. I've been to Chicago. I didn't really like it. I didn't think there was nothing that great about it. If I go to Chicago, you're gonna show me around? You're gonna take me out? Duh, okay. He said Chicago's ass. I'm crying. Yeah, I don't know what's there even to do out there. Damn, my phone got soaked, y'all. That's not good. My shit's finna be clapped. That's not good at all. I'm on live on my backup phone. My fucking main phone just got fucked up. This is fucked. This is fucked. Michael, literally go fuck yourself. You're getting blocked. I hate when people